Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing both devices. Charge the Osmo Pocket and unlock it, then install DJI Mimo on your Android and grant camera and storage permissions. Once done, attach the correct physical connector, official DJI USB-C adapter, or a compatible OTG cable, so the Pocket can communicate with your phone. Make sure your phone's OTG setting is enabled. If your phone asks to allow device access, accept it. This immediate hardware link initiates the handshake that the app uses to control live view, and open DJI Mimo with the Pocket connected and follow the on-screen pairing prompts. You'll see a device selection and a brief handshake status. Wait for the firmware check. If an update appears, install it now because camera phone compatibility often depends on the latest firmware. Make sure you allow microphone and storage access when requested. The app needs both to preview and save clips. Once paired, calibrate the gimbal from the app settings so stabilization is accurate, and verify live view appears smoothly before proceeding. Now set your recording resolution and frame rate in Mimo, then record a short 5 to 10 second test clip to confirm audio and video are saving to your phone or SD card. Once satisfied, stop recording, use the app's Safe Eject if available, and disconnect the cable to avoid data corruption. If something goes wrong, no live view or connection, unplug, reboot both Pocket and phone, try a different OTG cable or adapter, and ensure Mimo is updated. That single troubleshooting step fixes most connection failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.